Hey guys, I have just finished unpacking all of the models from my Clarion room that came back home with me, and I thought I would offer them up for online purchase. I can ship them. I'll give you the shipped prices within the United States, and we'll see if you want to take any of these babies home. So starting with this one, this is a custom Misti. She was airbrushed, details with acrylics, very cute face markings. I will let her go for $50 shipped if anybody's interested in her. These next three, these are my last 75th anniversary customs. I went with the blue gold coloration. These are the only three left that didn't sell. Those were super popular, and I'm so excited that so many of you bought them. But first up, we have the Nicholas. I did 75th on his side, and he's just this pretty, I was kind of going for like a frame of arrow type pattern when I airbrushed him, and then I painted that 75th on his side, and I will let him go for 75 shipped. This guy was one of my favorites with his beautiful blue dorsal stripe, and like nobody seemed really interested in him. Honestly, they all liked these Appaloosa ones, but I will also let him go for 75 shipped. If he doesn't sell for that, I may just keep him because he was my favorite. And then Cody, the ranch horse, got so much attention, but no buyers. He's the only one of the Appaloosa type patterns that I did that did not find a home. He had a ton of admirers, but no home. So I'll let you see all angles of his details. He looks great. I even did like the gold horseshoes on the bottom. All of these are airbrushed and detailed in acrylics. 125 shipped is what I would like to get for him. Otherwise he can stay too. And then second year not selling for this guy. I know he's weird looking. This is my custom of Lovely Finish. She was a fire survivor at San Luis Rey Downs, and it's really hard to get that burn scarring to look realistic. So I think instead of selling this one, I'm just going to keep it and try better. I painted it over a year ago. I think I've improved some since then. So I'm going to see what I can do to improve that one instead of selling it. It did already win a reserve champion at a live show. It was not NAN qualifying the division, but it has a ribbon. But I'm going to try to touch that one up. This odd medallion, I don't know, if somebody purchases a custom, I'll just throw that in. And then these are my custom littles that did not find homes. Not many of them. Most of them sold, and I'm so excited about that. Please, if you bought one, keep me in touch with how they do in the show ring. So we have this etchy little Shetland pony, this decorator, smart chick. None of the microfills sold, and again, I think aside from this one, who is like reserve grand champion and NAN qualified and all that, that one can just stay. But these I may try to touch up, make them look a little better, maybe repaint them, who knows. These are the only two charms that didn't sell. 25 shipped for either one of those. They are Dan Van 3D prints. This is a pewter micro, this Arabian. I'll do 30 shipped on that one. Let me show you guys the other sides of them. Okay. Stetson, he did not sell. I would take 100 shipped for this micro Stetson. This guy did not sell. I would do 50 shipped on him. He is a Dan Van stablemate scale 3D print. And then those 3 custom stablemates are $5 a piece. Moving on to Zinnia. I was thankful that she didn't sell. Every time somebody would pick her up and look at her, I would just like hold my breath and be like, please don't buy her, please don't buy her. I love this baby. This has by far been my most successful custom in the show ring. She nans almost everywhere I take her, and I may just have to show at my very first nan show and take her with me. She's no longer for sale. I discovered that I don't actually want to sell her. This little baby, I'm fine with this one staying too. I did notice it got a little bit marked up. I think that's like transfer. I'm not sure who transferred the white paint onto her, but that's probably why she didn't sell. But look at the cute little face. She can stay too. They can be friends. Original finish. Let's see. This is a pearly nursing foal. I'm really tempted to just strip this so I can see all of the pearly plastic. I don't know. Let me know if I should. I've never owned a pearly before, and it's already got mildew stains on it anyway. Like, I may as well just strip it. I think it'd look pretty cool. Unpainted pearly. All of these original finish stablemates, $5 a piece. If you see anything here you want. Obviously, oh, he has a nan card. He is 20 shipped. He nanned at his very first show as a thoroughbred foal, but any of these other ones, $5 a piece, and obviously prefer if you buy multiples, and then we can just figure out shipping from there. These 2 little medallions, $5 a piece. So this is everything that I have left, and I'm really thankful for all the sales that I had. For my next video, I'm going to be putting out what did sell at the Clarion, as well as our Breyerfest hauls. So just let me get that stuff unpacked. I have some eggs hatching in the incubator. They're hatching a little early. I wasn't expecting it, so that's like interrupting my unpacking. 1 second, I'll show you. These little babies decided to show up early. I'm glad they waited till I got home from Breyerfest, but I have an AM Samani and an American breast in there, and 2 more American breasts in here. It decided to show up yesterday, even though tomorrow is supposed to be hatch day. So my unpacking is going a little slowly, but bear with me. Bye guys.